sonke ayikho into ebuhlungu nje ukuthi imali ifikele emaphaketheni ohlanje vele manje lushintshe yonke isystem yala ekhaya akusahlonishwa umuntu obaba bala ekhaya basahlonishwa obani you are destroying the family structure because unemali. So instead of being a blessing, you're becoming a curse to the family. Ngoba ama-time ayahlonishwa lihlonishwa lingena nyuku awuhloniphi inyuku yalo uhloniphi izinga lalo, because there is a spiritual principle that says there is hierarchy and you give honor where honor is due. It's a principle, it's a spiritual principle. And what happens is when you start dishonoring people because they don't have money, you've already written your death wish, you've just materialized it. Malithi iBhayibheli yazisa uyihlo nonyoko ukuze insuku zakho zande ezweni alisho just okuzala biological. So if you take money and you use it to subvert principles of God, guess what? The principles will subvert you. And principles are merciless. God is merciful, but principles are merciless. You violate a principle, you're stuffed. You violate a principle, you're stuffed. You know what? God is merciful. It's a principle. Gravity is a principle. Not unless there is a miracle of God that He wants to do, basically exempt from a principle. But all things being equal, you violate a principle, you live with the consequences. That is why ngisindiswe nje ngikhona izinto enangishintshe kodwa empilweni yami engayibhala ngezenzo zami ngingakasindiswa, and uNkulunkulu ngeke ayicreshe lezo zinto because they are natural consequences.